So I come here to try to get 10 officer complaint forms, and I wanted to ask questions about my unlawful trespass from the post office.
It doesn't actually have to be a physical boundary.
You have to give me a lawful order.
You're gonna ask me to back up?
Yep.
And then what?
Back up.
So I'm trying to come through though.
No complaint forms for you. We don't have them here. You have to go to the city county building.
You flip me off, you like that, you fat fuck, huh? You like flipping me off, you fat fuck?
I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Oh, I got you on video flipping me off,
got
you
you on
fat
video
fuck.
too, so-
I don't give a fuck. Rodriguez?
Yes, sir. That's my name.
That'll be another officer complaint.
Okay, you do that.
For being a piece of shit to the fucking citizens, you fat bastard.
Okay.
Get the fuck out of here.
I don't have to.
Sir,
You have to.
the complaint forms are going to be down at the city county building, okay?
Who's the higher up? Where's the fucking lieutenant at? You guys don't have a lieutenant here?
We do.
All you sergeants are pieces of shit. Especially John Constable. You know that dumb fuck?
Yeah, he's in there too.
He's a piece of shit too.
Okay.
You fucking fit right along with him. Fuck, you guys could be brothers. You guys could even be butt buddies for all I know.
Yeah.
Fuck off.
Hey,
Give me a lieutenant, will you?
no.
No.
No, here's the thing, man. Hey, look at me. Look at me.
Have a nice day.
He's going to leave.
Yeah, fuck you too. Fuck you too. You don't like
I'll
my
wait till
freedom
you
of
do.
speech?
Okay.
Fuck
Hey,
you too.
Listen, here, listen. Because you're not as mad at me, right? I was.
Well, no,
I said I was
you didn't
gonna-
flip me off like this
Okay.
fucking piece of shit
Here's the
did.
deal.
No idea what
Hey,
you're talking about.
you want to fill out the complaint forms?
Yes, I want to fill out the complaint
Go
form.
to the city county building.
Let me show you what I got here.
You have complaint forms?
No.
Oh.
I've got 30 tort claims because I'm about to file the fucking tort claims galore on your fucking dumbass police department
Okay.
for my unlawful arrest, the theft of my property,
Mr. Mills.
kidnapping.
Mr. Mills.
You guys are fucking getting rung through the ringer, you dumb bitches.
Hey.
I'm going to straighten your department up, even if it means your ass is jobless.
Hey, Mr. Mills.
So either get on board or get the fuck out.
Hey, Mr. Mills. I would head on
Smile
down.
all you want, you prick.
Hey, Mr. Mills. I would head on down to the city county building. You know
I
what's
want to
that,
talk
right?
to a lieutenant. I need to talk to somebody higher up because I dealt with 10 officers in this department
There's-
and all of them failed. So I need a lieutenant.
Edward 201, Edward 211.
I want to see if the lieutenant's as bad as these sergeants are. Maybe the lieutenant's got a little more respect than the underlings. We pay you. Why the fuck would you act like that? Why the fuck would you act like that when I'm videoing you? Are you that stupid?
I don't think you're videotaping me.
I'm going to post it and everybody's going to see how dumb you look.
Okay.
And your disdain for the public. We pay you, you motherfucker. So when you jump in your fucking car and you feed your family, that's thanks to us, you bitch. You treat me with respect or fuck off.
Here's the thing. Respect is given too.
Yeah.
You're not being respectful.
I
I've been
asked
standing
him.
here this whole time.
I asked. No, you
Hey,
wasn't. Was
no,
you here
I
when
said
he?
I have been
Was
standing
you
here
here
this
when
whole
he?
time.
Well, yeah, he's not going to get respect after he flips me off.
You've been treating him with disrespect this whole time.
Well, yeah, you shouldn't have flipped me off, right?
I didn't flip you off.
You didn't flip me off.
There you go.
You're a lying piece of shit, motherfucker.
Here's the thing.
Are you the lieutenant?
No.
Oh, no, he's not.
No.
I'm sorry.
Oh, good luck with that.
You're another one of those sergeants.
He may not be one of those sergeants, but you sure the fuck are. You flipped me off and denied my officer complaint form.
No idea. We
I
don't
had
have
more
officer
business to
complaint
conduct.
forms. We don't have officer complaint forms.
Every police department should have officer complaint forms on, ready to go for the public.
You ever heard of that?
What's that?
Officer complaint form.
We don't have them.
We actually have a citizen complaint review board. Does he want to complain?
Yeah. Like 10 or 20 torts or something, civil torts. I guess that's for unlawful arrest. And
Yeah.
201's in there. He wants to see 201.
I just simply asked him for 10 officer complaint forms.
We don't
He
have
tells me,
officer complaint
you
forms.
tell me I'm not getting nothing. Well, print them up.
No,
Print
we
them.
don't print things up.
Why don't you?
Because we don't do that. We go to the...
We buy you guys a
Go
printer.
to the city council.
I know
That's how you make
I
the
know
complaint.
where the citizens complaint board is.
Exactly,
I had
right?
I had 2 types of different business. Well, 3 types of business to conduct.
Uh-huh.
I wanted to find out about this trespass, unlawful trespass from the post office.
Right.
There's that piece of shit constable.
There you
Remember me, dumb fuck? Huh?
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing great. All these court dates, I'm doing excellent. Thank you for losing your fucking cool and arresting me, you dumb bitch, unlawfully, and then breaking the fucking property.
Mr. Mills, do you need anything from me?
No, you're good to go. I appreciate you.
Okay. All right.
Where's the lieutenant? Did he come
He never came out.
Have you studied the Constitution yet, Constable? Huh? Have you talked to the federal police?
Have a good day, sir.
I saw the body cam footage. The postal inspector said I had every right to video in the post office. You fucking clown.
There's a lieutenant right there.
Lieutenant, what is going on with this department, really? I mean, I had 10 officers unlawfully arrest me, use excessive force, break my property, steal my property, kidnap me, lock me up, and I committed no crime. So I come here to try to get 10 officer complaint forms, and I wanted to ask questions about my unlawful trespass from the post office to see if it was still in effect or not. And the piece of shit sergeant comes out here, tells me he's not helping me, not doing anything, walks off and flips me off. Is that how you train the officers here to treat the public?
Just listening right now. Anything else? What else?
Well, I mean that's pretty much the gist of it. And then they don't understand why I'm upset when somebody flips me off. Does that make you upset when somebody flips you off?
Absolutely. So if someone flipped you off, that would absolutely not be appropriate type of behavior.
Well, no, that's what I thought.
But let's rewind back to your initial complaint. You said officers kidnapped you.
Yes.
And what else? When did this happen?
When did this happen?
Yeah, you said officers kidnapped you.
It happened in May. I'm still going to court over it.
Okay, so how many officers was it? You said a total of 10 officers?
10 officers
Okay, so
were on scene.
Yeah. Oh, okay. But how many of them were involved in your abduction?
John Constable, De Leon, even De Leon kept an unlawful seizure of property and property that wasn't even mine that I had in my possession.
Do you have an attorney representing you?
I do have an attorney, but I mean, really, I wouldn't need an attorney. I've got video proof of everything.
So then I mean you have an attorney that could help process that.
Yeah,
video.
but I can act as my own attorney as well. So I wanted to submit a public records request because I'm going to get the bond information on all these officers, their prior arrest records. I'm going to do a full background on all these officers involved in my case. I need photo images to put with these names so I know which officers did what. There was another officer who, well, after I was handcuffed, I was choked after handcuffed, and while I was being choked, the other officer was digging the handcuffs into my wrist.
So what I would suggest that you do, because we don't, all the information that you're saying that you need, this is not the place you get it.
Well, I can get public records from here.
Not from here, we don't have
Yes,
records
I get public records from anywhere the records are produced. You guys hold the employees
Sir,
whose records are in this place.
Do you have a public information records request that's signed by a judge that you want to present?
Sign? You talking? No, we're not talking about a subpoena for records. I'm talking about actual APRA law, Indiana APRA law. We can go to any entity, government or state, and submit a public records request and get public information. Look up the Indiana APRA law.
I'm not aware of that law.
I am.
But I'm not.
So I am, so make yourself aware of it.
I will
because
do
otherwise
that.
it's a civil rights violation and it is punishable.
So, sir, here's what I would say to you. You made quite a few allegations.
They're not allegations.
No, what I'm saying
I got video evidence.
Has it been proven in the court of law yet?
No, because the prosecutor's too fucking stupid to realize officers can't be a complainant on a disorderly.
So what I would suggest to you...
Do you believe officers can be a complainant on a disorderly?
Sir, I don't really know.
Do you think the officers can be the witness
my opinion
and the
doesn't
complainant
matter in
on a
this case.
disorderly?
Here's what I'm going to suggest.
It does matter because it falls under law.
Sir,
if you arrest a citizen for disorderly conduct and you have no right to arrest him for disorderly conduct because he's redressing you, then that's a matter of law, right?
So let me rewind, man. I don't even know your name. Who are you?
Good citizen.
Okay, that's all right. That's what you want to tell me.
Yeah, and I want to tell you, please give me a public records request. Or give me a pen and I'll fill one out.
You're asking for information, but you don't want to give me your information, right?
No, because I have a right under the Fourth Amendment of the Fourth Amendment to remain secure in my person's private property and effects.
Sir, I appreciate it. You can go down if you want to. If you need to go, you don't want to identify yourself and tell me who you are. So
I don't need to identify myself, Lieutenant.
But you do have to.
You know that's what the problem with these underlings are.
I understand,
because the shit runs downhill, right?
Sir,
it's a proven fact that shit runs downhill. Give me a public records request and let me submit my public records request.
I don't have the ability to do
that. So
you
want to withhold my evidence from my court case, right?
I'm not withholding anything.
You are. I'm asking you for a public records request so I can gather information on officers' conduct to see if maybe one of them are on the Brady list or if they've had issues with this before in the past to show history of officer neglect and officers not understanding the law. So give me a public records request because it's part of my evidence.
I don't have the ability to do that.
You do that. Give me
I don't.
a pen then. Let me use your pen.
I'm not letting you use my pen, but I don't want you
It's
to.
technically my pen because I bought it. It's the people's pen, right? Because we paid for
It's the
it.
people's pen. Matter of fact, I don't even have my pen on me, so I guess I can't help you with that. But here's what I would say to you, sir. If you have an issue, I would recommend that you have your attorney represent you, because I can.
I'm
tell you
representing
now,
myself.
I can understand.
My
it.
attorney is my tool.
Sir, all this
I'm
is on,
going
you're
to be more
recording.
thorough
I'm
than
assuming-
any attorney's ever
Sir,
going to be.
Sir, I'm assuming you're recording. I'm recording too. I can't.
Well, that's
help
good for you. You can't help me because you can't help the public, right?
Yes, sir.
Is that it?
No, that's not
You
it,
can't
sir.
help the public against the blue line. Why is that
Sir.
blue line bench sitting in the police department?
Sir,
Why
you have
don't
a
you
great
rip
day.
that blue board off of there or
Sir.
paint that thing
Sir, you have a great
an
day.
actual color that
have a
represents the
great day.
people
You
and
have a
get rid
great
of all
day.
that blue?
Have a
You
great
blue
day.
line bitches or something else. You know that?
Sir, thank
I
you.
mean, how in the fuck can
Have
you
a great
guys
day.
live with yourself? Getting paid by the public and doing whatever the fuck you want if it breaks the law or not. Lieutenant, do better, Lieutenant. Do better.
What should happen when a citizen requests complaint forms and public records from a police department? Encounters like this often raise questions about the First Amendment, which protects recording government officials performing public duties, and the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. The citizen argues officers violated those protections, while police maintain their own procedures and authority. Rather than deciding who is right, this video examines the legal issues, the conduct of both sides, and what viewers can learn from the interaction.
What are we getting ready for?
Hey, we're gonna have you stay on this side.
Yeah, you can't.
Huh?
You can't record right here. You gotta stay right over here.
What do you mean I gotta stay over here? This
Yeah,
is
just stay
public.
over here.
There's a business need. You can't use this part of the sidewalk, but you're
You can
welcome to
stand
stand there if you
here
like.
if
At least
you
you're that way. You're in the shade.
What?
Yeah, you can't film the computers that they're using.
What are they doing?
We're
Work.
working.
Right, in a public setting, right? This is a
Yep,
public
right now,
parking
the-
lot, police station.
And right now we have a command post out right here.
Where?
This car.
All right.
You're
You can
welcome
stand right
to
here.
videotape
We're-
it.
I don't
we're
want to
good.
stand in the road. I'm going to stand on the sidewalk.
Okay, well then
Why
just
should I stand
down
on the
there.
road?
I just told you.
Huh?
I just told you because we have a command post.
So you
set
want me
right
to
here.
be in the
You're not in the road.
in the
sir,
traffic?
parking lot.
Yeah, for vehicles.
You can
Yeah.
go over there to the front door area.
Yeah.
No,
That's totally fine.
no, 10 feet is more than enough.
No, it's not, sir.
You, listen,
Sir,
you
I'm
don't
gonna
need.
tell you right now.
What are
you're
you
not
doing?
recording- you're not recording the computers over here.
Is it open?
No, it's not.
It is open. It's in
No.
public view, right?
It is not right
It's
now.
plain view. What you're doing actually is you're blocking my camera. Do you know what
I
that
am
is?
blocking your camera.
Yeah, that's prior restraint. You need to get your supervisor here.
am a
Identify yourself.
supervisor.
You're the supervisor?
I am a supervisor.
Identify
He's my
yourself.
supervisor.
Hey,
You got my name tag on
you're
the recording.
intimidating me right now.
I'm
No,
not-
the law
I'm not
says
intimidating you,
the
sir.
law says you need to identify yourself. What is your name and badge number?
I just told you.
Sergeant
It's right here.
Demogowski, I'm Lieutenant
Yep.
Vaughn. Can I have a
Lieutenant,
conversation
what
with
the
you?
hell's going on here? Why am I being intimidated this way and you're not stepping in right away?
That's why I was walking over here and talking to you. Can you stop yelling at me, please?
No, I'm not. Because now you've aggravated me.
I just walked up.
You just walked up here harassing me, threatening me,
I didn't
violating
walk
my
up to you.
constitutional
Why are
rights.
you yelling?
Because I can.
Okay.
You got a problem with that?
Well, it's not very polite.
I don't give a damn if it's not polite. It's against the law to harass me.
You walked
Is that
over to
polite?
us. You walked over to us.
Exactly. I walked up to you because I can.
Yeah.
Because you're in public.
Well, actually, we can have operations that
Yeah?
are restricted from the public. We
How?
can.
Outside of the building?
Yes.
And no signs? No tape? No nothing?
Would you like me to get some tape?
Yeah,
to
get
flush
some
you
tape.
out?
Get some tape and
If
put
you
it
want-
on.
If you want to walk over there, then I'll
Actually,
set some
no.
tape.
Put on the tape and then I'll comply. Right now, you're more than 10 feet, more than enough. Understand? More than enough.
Can you stop yelling at me?
No, I'm not. Until you actually do your job properly.
You're the one.
That's what requires for you fools, tyrants, to do your jobs correctly. You immediately escalated this thing the moment I walked up
I
with the
didn't
camera.
escalate it. I walked over.
You too.
I don't have-
You're the lieutenant. You're supposed to put your sergeant in check right away.
That's why. I walked
Your
over.
sergeant came in here aggressively at
You're
me.
gonna keep interrupting me. We can't have a conversation.
Well, then go do your damn job. Put up the tape
I'm
and do your
talking
damn
to you.
job.
Okay.
Dismissed. Put up the
We-
tape.
we will put up the
Get
tape.
to
Can you go
putting
over
up
there?
your tape.
We
No,
will
until you
over
put
some
up your tape, I am more than sufficiently enough from where I need
Hi,
to
sir.
be.
Hi, my name's Brian Wilbur. I'm the commander here of the patrol division.
I don't give a damn what
Hi,
you are
I'm gonna-
anymore, Commander.
Sure.
Go do your damn
So
job.
this is what we're going to do, and I'm going to let you know, okay? We're going to put up some tape right here, just so that you're aware that that's the area you can't pass. The reason why you can't come here, and while it is a public accessible space, is because it's currently being used for an operational need. Do you have any questions on how I can help you with that? I'm happy to help you in any way.
Commander, did you see your sergeant over there escalate the situation and aggressively approach me.
I was aware, and I didn't see it as escalation. I'm sorry you felt that way.
Oh, you
But
did
it
not
just-
see him
but it-
stick his camera,
Okay, but so-
stick his hand
Sir,
into
are
my
you gonna allow
camera?
me to speak? I'm happy to
I'm
answer
asking you questions. Did you witness him stick his hand
So
and
at this point in
agreeing,
At this
admitting
point in
on
time,
record
they're
that that's
running
what
some
he's
tape
doing?
right there. So if you want to check it out, they're going to put some tape here.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to put it around here. You're welcome to stand anywhere outside of that tape.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And then what I want you to do is when you stand somewhere, just if you could be safe. Okay?
Sure.
All right. So
Put
they're
up
going to
the
come
tape.
this way. So I'll help you go with this way.
Put up the tape.
That's right over there. We're setting it up. So if you want to
Good.
go on the other side of the tape.
Well, whenever the tape is here, that's when
Yeah,
I'll be.
It doesn't actually have to be a physical boundary. I could tell you, and as long as you're
No,
aware of it.
you have to give me a lawful order. You don't just create a boundary to intimidate me and to create a chilling effect on my First Amendment.
Is there something that you would like to have access to?
Yeah.
What is that?
I want to be able to see exactly what you're doing.
You can't do
because it's publicly accessible, and if you chose to do
you
so
don't
in
have-
public,
you don't have a
if
lawful
you chose to do so in public, it's plain view. If you chose to do so in public, it's plain view.
Do you have any questions I
Understood?
can help you with? All right. If you're not happy with any service, you're welcome to file a complaint. You can do that online. You can do it in person.
Yeah, I just did. I'm gonna file a complaint with
Okay.
you on the spot.
Okay.
I want you to go to reprimand that sergeant.
That there's nothing
Reprimand him
that I saw, but
for-
I'll look
for
into
his
it.
aggression.
Can I get your information so that I can follow up with you on?
No,
the
you don't
complaint?
need my information.
Okay, I want to be able to tell you how the complaint resolves. Am I?
I know how the
the
complaint gets resolved.
Okay, thank you. If you can just
I know
thank you.
exactly how. You pretend nothing happened, and that's it.
When does protected filming become unlawful interference? The First Amendment generally protects recording police performing public duties, but that right does not create unlimited access to an active operational area. In State v. Gardiner, the Oregon Court of Appeals upheld an interference conviction because the defendant disobeyed repeated directions and physically followed a police canine tracking path, not merely because he filmed or spoke. Here, police can argue that moving the filmer protected operational security and sensitive screens. The citizen can argue that an undefined and expanding boundary burdened lawful recording more than necessary. The legal question is not whether he was polite, it is whether the restriction was clear, content neutral, and reasonably connected to actual police duties.
What's going on, buddy? How you doing?
You already know. Can't bring it in. You got to meet somebody?
Yeah, I'm going out there to file a complaint. I just all I got is my dad.
Hang on, you can't bring the cameras in though. It's fine. Not going through it.
Says who?
Camera's not being allowed in, I'm sorry.
Says who? We already went through this and you already let us allow
You
it.
mind stepping back so this gentleman can get in here?
Can you bring your supervisor here?
Yeah, we need to file.
Because I'm ready to come through. Can you bring your supervisor here? Can you call your supervisor?
Sign says you can't bring the cameras
I don't care what a
inside.
sign says,
I understand you don't care.
right? Signs don't mean anything.
To you they don't. I understand.
So can you call your supervisor so I can file this complaint?
Oh, we can wait out here. We just want to file a complaint.
Go get it.
We'll call somebody. You want
Call
to
them.
have a seat over there? We'll call
I don't want to
somebody.
have a seat. Call somebody.
I can't have you stand
Can you
here.
show me the judge's order, judge's
I can't
rule?
have you stand here blocking it.
There's not blocking anybody.
You stand out there, you can come.
I'm not blocking anybody, sir. I will move.
Come on in, sir.
What's the deal, man? You already let us through here. What's the deal? What is it? What is the problem?
You didn't have cameras last time.
Yes, I had the camera last time. I pointed it right at you. You let me walk through with your buddy. You don't remember that? No. I can show you the film.
That's all I got.
That's all right.
Oh, might be my shoes.
Your shoes?
Might be.
How about the belt?
Nope, it's plastic.
Can I get your name, buddy?
Oh, come on in.
What's that?
Clunk.
It's Clunk?
Yep.
That's what you tell the judge, Clunk? Can I get your badge number?
That's my name. You asked for my
Oh,
name.
I thought you were just clunking and then you said it was Clunk.
It's my name.
I'll believe you. No, there's not a problem. Can I get your badge number?
You can have it.
You don't have badge numbers?
Cat, you can call us and down there? Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
Can I come through and file and do my business?
Now with the camera.
Not with the camera?
Nope.
Because why?
Our Chief Judge says.
Chief Judge says who? Is that a law? Is that a law or? Can I get the Chief Judge's name?
I'm done talking to you,
You're
sir.
done talking to me.
Yep.
And you're gonna impede my way from coming in here.
Yes, I am. Very well.
You guys are gonna attack me or something here? What's going on? You're gonna put your hands on me?
I asked you back
You're gonna
up.
ask me to back up?
Yep.
And then what?
Back up.
So I'm trying to come through though. You're
Not
repeating
coming
my
through.
way.
I told you I'm coming through.
Why not?
Because I told you.
Because you told me? I don't know. How you doing there, buddy?
How you doing, Tony?
Doing all right. I could be better if you guys wanted to beat me on my business to go file a complaint on you. You're gonna take your own complaint? Can I get it stamped and filed and I'll be on my way? I want to complain on you. I already have it all written up. I want you to stamp it and get me on my way. I'd already been on my way. Can you stamp that and not be on my way?
Stamp it?
Stamp it? How do I know you're just going to throw it in the garbage? It's a complaint on you.
Oh.
Right. So can you stamp it and give me a copy of it or something? I'd be on my way.
Did you make a copy of it?
No, I didn't. I would like you to stamp it, put your signature on it, stamp it, give me a copy, or give me the copy back saying that you got it and just throw it in the garbage.
Okay.
And I'd have been on my way.
I like your mustache.
Brolard already said we're cool to film out here. That's your lieutenant, am I correct? He'll be in tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow then. I'll be here every day. Matter of fact, you guys are my type priority right now. Maybe I'll get a stalking order on you guys next. For a year. All you gotta do is go down there and cry. Can you stamp it too there, sir?
I think my tripod intimidated him last time.
Must have. Cool, thank you. See, that's a public servant right there. See, he just didn't shoot me out the building. He could have kicked me out like he did last time. But now he's thinking he should help me out, help out the public. That's what you guys are here for.
What do these 3 encounters reveal when the shouting is removed? In video 1, unclear authority and aggressive escalation overshadowed any legitimate police objective. Officers receive a D, while the citizen earns a B for asserting his rights but accepting avoidable risk. In Hillsboro, police eventually created a workable boundary but communicated it poorly, earning a C+. The filmer earns a C because valid questions were weakened by insults and deliberate exaggeration. Here in Rockford, courthouse personnel earn a C for restricting entry without first offering a clear alternative, while the citizen earns a C+ for securing proof of his complaint but reducing his credibility through personal attacks. The intelligent solution is consistent policy, precise lawful instructions, documented complaints, and calm compliance under protest. For the complete legal breakdown, select the video now appearing on screen and continue through the ID Refusal Pro, First Amendment Audit, and Police Accountability series.